Hello, my amazing second graders, and welcome to the very first day of art. I'm so excited for us to get to do a little bit of art today. And what we are going to be exploring is the art of origami. In fact, we are going to make these super cool stars, or like ninja stars. So the materials you'll have in your material box are a square piece of paper and glue sticks. At your tables, you'll be able to find your scissors. So, with your piece of paper, the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half, corner to corner. And smooth down that edge of the fold. I even use my fingernail to make a crisp fold. Open it back up, and let's go ahead and do it to make an X. So, do it to the other side. Here, my fingernail making that crisp, clean fold. Open it back up, and you should see that you have an X folded into your square paper. Now we are going to make a plus sign into our paper. The way we do that is fold both corners to each other, folding it in half to make our rectangle. Open it back up, turn it, let's do it again. Okay, when I open it up, I should have a plus sign and an X. So, on the lines for my plus, the lines that come to the edge, the square edge, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip halfway up on my paper. Not all the way to the center, just halfway. Let's turn and do that on all of the plus lines. Our horizontal and vertical lines, not the diagonals. So now that I have those 4 lines snipped halfway up, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work in each square section, folding the edge here up to my diagonal X line. So let's take a look at how that first fold looks. When I hold it at a square, I'm folding that line up as if I'm making mini little paper airplanes. And I'll do it to the other side. This is going to be creating those points to my star. Again, use your fingernails to make our folds smoothed down. We don't want puffy creases. I'm going to work my way around and do every single corner. If you're confused with this step, take a look around you. Look at what your neighbor's doing. Maybe ask someone at your table if you've done this correctly. Remember to ask 3 before me. Okay, boys and girls, now once you have finished with all of those folds, this is what yours should look like. You should be able to see all of your folds coming into the middle, making our 4 points to our star. Next is when you're going to pick up your glue stick. With your glue stick, unscrew the cap, put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Roll up your glue, not too much, just a little bit. Then take and glue 1 fold for each side of your star. So I've glued here, 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 and here. You should have 4 glued flaps. Next, I'm going to push over and glue my flaps together. I use my finger to stick it inside of the point of my triangle to support it on the back side, making sure my glue sticks together. Go around your triangle and complete that on all 4 sides. Sticking your finger inside and pressing that glue until it's all tacky and dry. Last one. Okay, Now that you have finished, you can flip it over and take a look at your fantastic origami star that you've created. In your material basket, you'll have multiple colors. You're welcome to make as many of these as you like today. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to head to our tables and I will play this video again as you're working. Let's go.